this Hilton Garden Hotel in Washington?
Yes.
Can you give me the address, please?
1225 First Street, Northeast.
Can you go slow down, please? I'm writing it. Okay, go ahead. Okay.
25
Okay.
Northeast.
Okay, thank you. No, I have a question for you. So, my dad is coming right now, and he's kind of mad. He don't speak English. But the reason he's mad is my sister lost something last night in your room. Can you guys find it?
Can we find it?
Yes, she lost something in the room.
Well, first you have to give me what room she stayed in, what's her name, and what she lost.
And I don't know what they're talking about right now, because all he was saying is how you gonna lose your virginity. She lost her virginity in there, I think.
She what?
She lost her virginity in there. I don't know what it is. Can you... Can you guys find it, please? He's tripping.
Yes, I'm going to transfer you to Chris. He'll help you find it. Hold on.
All right. Hello, is this Chris? Yes, thank you. You're gonna help me today because my dad is yelling at my sister and I'm very worried.
Okay, how can I help you?
She lost something in your room last night. It called virginity.
Would you like that transfer your housekeeper and see if they can find it?
Yes.
Actually, housekeeper is gone. You call her tomorrow. We'll see if someone else in the room.
But can you find the virginity, please? Because he's mad.
Yeah, it's probably still in the room. We'll see if someone tomorrow. They might be able to see if
Is this a kind of blood thing, though? Because they were talking about blood thing, too.
It might be the case. It might be the case. What I'll do is I'll radio walkie-talkie housekeeper in the morning and see if they find it. How's that sound?
I like that, Chris. Thank you very much. You didn't took it, all right?
No, that wasn't me. Housekeeper copy.
All right, Chris. Have a good day. Good day.